Meaning of frugality.
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 Frugality. Frugality refers to the quality of being economical or thrifty in one's use of resources, particularly money. It involves avoiding wastefulness and unnecessary expenses by making deliberate and thoughtful choices about spending. Frugal individuals prioritize long-term financial stability over short-term gratification, and they are often adept at finding creative solutions to minimize costs without sacrificing quality or satisfaction. While frugality might be associated with austerity or deprivation, it can actually lead to a more fulfilling and sustainable lifestyle. Overall, frugality promotes mindfulness, discipline, and wise stewardship of resources.